Now for another significant feature in reports. PaperCut provides a set of built-in reports that include simple pre-built reports accessed via one click, to more advanced reports constructed using custom filters. There are already around 80 reports set up and ready to go within PaperCut that include user reports, printer reports as well as print log reports. Reports can be produced by selecting a date range and then clicking on one of the report format icons. So back to the PaperCut dashboard and a look at some of the reports that are already available to you. Under the Reports tab you will see that you have access to reports for users, printers, devices and even environmental reports. If we access the user information, you will see a selection of reports available including an executive summary. Common date ranges such as last 30 days, yesterday and previous month can be selected via a drop-down box. The ad hoc option may be used to generate the reports with custom date ranges and fillers. For example, generate a user printing summary report limited to your particular department. In this example, we are going to look at the department printing sample, where you will also note that we can nominate a 30-day period. With the ad hoc reporting, you firstly choose the format of the report that you require, either PDF, Excel or HTML, which then takes you into a secondary screen. Here, you are asked to give the report a title, and then start to build the parameters of the report such as the date range, username, etc. A popular report that is often run is the unreleased jobs paper saving. Basically, this one shows when a user has sent a job to the print queue, but hasn't released the document, through the Follow Me print setup. You can enable the system to purge those unreleased documents every 4 hours, which then generates the saved value of the documents not released. The purge time can be updated to reflect the requirement of the site. If there are any issues creating reports in the ad hoc area, then you may need to use another method which will require pushing the PaperCut external database. Put PaperCut in SQL and then you should be able to run the reports. The PaperCut data structure is relatively simple, and people with Crystal reports, MIS access or SQL experience should have no problem extracting data for written custom reports if the recipe doesn't exist in PaperCut today. Report developers should keep in mind to only access the data in read-only mode, as modifying data directly underneath the application may cause some unpredictable behavior, and always test any custom reports after a version upgrade, as the underlying data format may have changed. If the automatic reports can't run on schedule, they may report on a different period when run manually because the date range is relative, for example yesterday, last week, last month. There is an interesting story behind this slide, which was created at the request of a customer. Customers are really using this report to change print behavior. In fact, one school set this up and printing from staff reduced by almost 50% after just 2 months. After a report has been scheduled, test the report using the Run Now option. It's just another tick and check to ensure that the report is producing the data that your client is chasing. It is useful for testing reports, or for running a report that may have been missed, because a server could have been shut down over the period where the reports were scheduled to run. That